Top 3 most important things as an owner-operator.
The heart, the dispatch, and the mechanic.
The heart, the dispatcher, and the mechanic. We're just having fun here today. What's going on, Mother Truckers? Welcome to the Asian Mai Show. Look at this beautiful 2020 Volvo truck right here. And how long have you been trucking, sir?
Since 2011.
2011. So before that, what were you doing?
I retired at 50.
Oh, you retired at 50 years old?
Yes, and then for 5 years I just completely mad. So I said, what am I gonna do? So I did trucking.
You did trucking. So I get a lot of people out here that say, hey, Alex, I'm 50 years old. Am I too old to become a truck driver? What do you have to say to those people?
That's precisely the age that you should get involved.
Really?
Yep.
What do you love most about trucking?
First of all, it's an adventure.
Oh, really?
If you're looking for a job, it's no good. It's an adventure. And within that adventure, you find yourself a good job that you love, and you make some money too.
Oh, really? I don't want to expose, but you know, the Asian Mai Show, we like talking about the money too. So from that, are you an owner-operator, sir?
Yes, I am.
So there's going to be a lot of people that are watching this that are company drivers. Any recommendations for them that want to become owner-operators? What are your thoughts, sir?
First of all, you got to find yourself a dispatch. This is the most important thing. It's the dispatch.
Really? The dispatcher?
Absolutely. If she's good or he's good, you pay him well because it's worth it.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Like as an owner-operator, what do? Do you work straight like 2-3 months and then after that you vacation for a month, or how's it go for you?
I'm the bad example because I'm an addict. All right, my dispatch actually told me, get the hell out of here, get some vacation, couple of days or something, because
You love
non-stop.
You just love it.
Yes.
I love it.
But also, if I haven't been to Alaska only, and Hawaii, of course.
Okay.
Otherwise, I've been to every state.
Yeah. So if you're running this hard, it sounds like you're doing pretty good. You're doing pretty good. So as an owner-operator, if you work your ass off, can you think that is it possible to net $100,000 a year?
Depends on the equipment, but yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
So for everyone that's out there, you know, I think the biggest part about this is you got to love it. It's a lifestyle. You got to be hungry for it. But the biggest thing is you got to have the right dispatcher to keep you running.
And the right equipment. And for the young kids, for the young guys, if you just got married, don't have any kids, hold on to it. Take your wife as a co-driver. Think about it. You can make $500,000 gross a year easy.
Oh,
if
man.
you do it for 3 years.
Save up and you can be a millionaire.
I mean, if you really have in you.
Yeah, you got to go.
You got your wife next to you.
What else you need? What else you need, right? I love this. So, you know, that's why I love interviewing people, because everybody thinks something else is important. But for you guys watching this, you know, you want to be successful. My man has a 2020 Volvo. He's living life. He's enjoying. But the biggest part is, it sounds, you need to have a good dispatcher. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, guys. See you on the road.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.